The virtual classroom has been created in such a way as to maximally simplify the idea of an online lesson. Neither the teacher nor the student needs to install any application or use an external link. It's dead simple. Your teacher and your student meet in your online DL Pro classroom. They log in and click the camera icon next to their class on the desktop. The virtual classroom contains a lot of useful solutions. You can chat, share the screen, or open the class register to see the data. You can also assess your online book. The virtual classroom is integrated with the school's calendar. You need to create a group, choose a teacher to conduct the class, and add students to the group. Only the assigned teacher and his or her students will see the camera icon and will be able to enter the online class. Enjoy easy online teaching